सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.2 problem number 8. Look at the question. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bar bisects angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. Find angle XYQ and reflex QYP we have to find. Okay, right? So we have to draw a figure with the given information here. Okay, right? Yeah, what is given? Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Yeah, XYZ 64 degrees. 64 degrees. It is nothing but we can take here itself. Yeah, this is 64 degrees angle. Okay, and that XY is produced to point P. Yeah, it is Y, Z, and it is X. Okay, right. So XY, this XY ray is produced to form point P. It means it extended up to point P, isn't it? Produced to point P, it is nothing but we have to extend this up to point P. Okay, right. So angle XYZ, here the angle belongs to at Y. Okay, that is why I am taken here 64 degrees. Right, next give information. A ray YQ bar bisects angle ZYP. Okay, ZYP, this is the XYZ and as well as this is also ZYP only. Okay, so angle ZYP, the YQ bisects this angle ZYP, that is nothing but this is another ray, this is Q. YQ bar is another ray. Okay, so what are the given here? Angle XYZ is equals to 64 degrees and YQ bar another ray, it bisects the ZYP angle. So bisects meaning, this YQ ray makes this 64 into 2 equal parts. That is nothing but this YQ ray bisects the ZYP into 2 equal parts. Okay, that is the meaning of bisects. Okay, now it becomes 32 degrees and this is also 32 degrees and 32 degrees. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, the complete angle is 64. Okay, the complete angle is here 64. If that is bisect, it becomes 32. Right. So what we have to find? Angle XYQ. How much it is? Yeah, we have here already. Angle XYQ is equals to 32 degrees. And reflex QYP. That is nothing but QYP. How much it is angle? That is QYP is equals to 32 degrees only. But we have to find a reflex of QYP. That is nothing but this is the normal angle and this one is the reflex QYP. Okay, this is that reflex QYP. Okay, so we know that here sum of QYP, angle QYP plus reflex QYP is equals to 360 degrees, isn't it? So this is 32 degrees is a QYP angle. So the reflex, okay, it becomes one complete rotation. Okay, it completes one complete rotation, that is nothing but 360 degrees. Okay, QYP we have 32 degrees plus reflex QYP is equals to 360 degrees. So reflex QYP is equals to 360 degrees minus 32. So 360 degrees minus 38 here, 5 minus 3, 2, as it is 328. Okay, so reflex QYP is equals to 328 degrees. Okay, that is the reflex QYP. Okay, right, this is the solution of problem number 8.